Hi everyone, I'm Gigi, and for today's project, we're going to recycle these two empty cans and twine into a beautiful planters or a flower vase. And for that said, let's get started. I made the braid first for the twine to make it prettier, so it doesn't show that it's really like a twine. It's like a style. And also that white bit that I use, that is an old t-shirt, an old white t-shirt that I cut into strips. I made it like 2 inches the width. And as you can see, sometimes I twist it before I glue it so that it looks like the twine. It looks like a braided twine. And this is actually very simple and easy. It's very straightforward. You just have to glue it and then glue the twine, and then the second one is that white t-shirt, and so on and so forth until you fill up the whole can or tin. It's not really that hard. If I can do it, so can you guys. It's very simple. It's very, very easy project. And actually it's very rewarding after you finish doing this project and you can see the outcome. It's really very rewarding. It's just a bit time consuming, but it's worth the effort, and as you can see after this project. Scissor is a little bit dull. I have to buy a new one. I'm trying to put more glue onto this joint because it sticks out, and doesn't look very nice once all those joints sticks out. So make sure you have to put a lot of glue, and then when you reach the other end, you have to put it more glue to keep it nice and neat. Now we have to put the handle. Can make it as a basket or planter or flower vase, or you can even put your scissors and pens, foot rollers. Actually, this is very useful. See,